We all know how frustrating it is to manually type data from a PDF into a spreadsheet. It feels like a waste of time and is prone to errors. But today, we are going to change that. We are diving into a faster method to automate this entire process using Google Workspace Studio. By the end of this video, we will crack the secret of how to extract PDF data to Google Sheets directly. So, without wasting our time, let's get into it. To start things off, the first thing we need to understand is that Google Workspace Studio is designed to make automation feel like a natural conversation. We don't need to be experts in coding or complex scripts to make this work, because we are going to use Gemini to build the backbone of our flow. To get started, we need to head over to the Workspace Studio Discover page. You can find this easily by clicking the Studio icon right inside your Gmail interface, or by navigating to the direct URL in your browser. Once we're there, we're greeted with a prompt box where we can simply describe what we want to happen in plain English. For our specific goal of moving PDF data to Sheets, we are going to tell Gemini something like this. For incoming emails that have an attachment, if that attachment is a PDF, save it to Google Drive. Then extract the date, supplier name, invoice number, and total amount. And finally, write all that information into a specific Google Sheet. Following that initial step, Gemini takes our request and actually maps out a multi-step flow for us. It is pretty incredible how it interprets our intent, but we should keep in mind that every time we ask, the flow might look slightly different because it is generated in the moment rather than being pulled from a rigid template. This gives us a lot of flexibility. Now we need to look at the individual blocks Gemini created. The first block is our starter, which is usually triggered when we receive a new email. We want to make sure this is configured to look for attachments. From there, the flow moves to a decide step. This is where the AI evaluates if the file is actually a PDF. If it's a JPEG or a different file type, the flow will stop right there, which keeps our spreadsheet clean and organized. We can even refine the prompt in this step to be very specific, ensuring the AI looks at the file type variable to make its decision. Continuing with the process, once the system confirms we have a PDF, the next step is to save that file into a designated folder in Google Drive. This is important because it creates a permanent record of the source document. After the file is safely stored, we move to the extract phase. This is the core of the automation. Here, the AI looks inside the PDF document stored in Drive and identifies the specific pieces of information we asked for earlier, like the invoice number or the amount due. What's really cool is that we aren't limited to invoices. If we were working with resumes or financial reports, we could just as easily tell Gemini to extract names, phone numbers, or quarterly earnings instead. The system is smart enough to adapt to the context of the document we provide. After the data is extracted, we reach the final stage, which is adding a row to our Google Sheet. To make this work smoothly, we need to select the specific spreadsheet from our drive where we want the data to live. One thing to keep in mind is that currently this works best with files in your My Drive rather than shared drives, though that might change down the road. We then map the extracted variables, those pieces of data like the date and supplier, to the corresponding columns in our sheet. Once we've aligned everything, we can run a test. We pick an actual email with a PDF invoice and watch the flow progress through each step in real time. If everything looks good and the data appears in our sheet, we simply turn the flow on, and from that point forward, the process is completely hands-off. In conclusion, we have just built a powerful tool that saves hours of manual data entry. It's amazing how much we can accomplish when we let AI handle the repetitive stuff. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We would love to hear what you plan to automate next, so leave a comment below.